Squeaky floorboards because your subfloor is loose? That's a real pain, but fixing it doesn't have to be a total headache. So, first off, you want to find where the squeaks are coming from by walking around and pressing down near the noise. Once you spot the spot, grab some screws that are long enough to go through the floorboards and into the subfloor beneath. If you're feeling a bit DIY, you can use a drill to screw the floorboards down tight. Just be careful not to split the wood. Another way is to use construction adhesive between the subfloor and the joists to glue everything in place, which can stop movement causing the squeaks. If you go the screw route, countersink them a bit so they don't stick out and mess up your floor's look. You might also want to put some talcum powder or graphite between boards if they're rubbing against each other. Remember to wear safety gear like goggles when drilling because flying wood bits are no joke. Taking your time and working methodically helps, so you don't miss any loose spots that could cause squeaks later. One of the biggest mistakes people make when fixing squeaky floors is using drywall screws instead of wood screws, which don't hold well and can break easily. Make sure you get the right screws meant for flooring. Another common issue is not finding all loose spots, so the squeaking just shifts somewhere else. Walking around and testing every part helps catch all trouble spots. The third mistake is skipping the prep work like cleaning dust or old glue before applying adhesive, which can make it not stick properly. Clean surfaces are key for a solid fix. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more jobs, the site helps get your name out there to people who need your skills right away.